guys, thank you so much for tuning in my channel. I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look that I have on here, which is perfect for going back to school or going back to college. I didn't really wear makeup in high school, so what I used to wear in high school was just a Pond's vanishing cream and a little bit of powder and mascara and then a lip gloss. But then going to college, that's where I started to wear a little bit of makeup. So I used to wear like a little bit of foundation and a powder, mascara and a blush, and also a lip gloss or just a lipstick that was lighter, like some nudes. So since most of you are going back to school this week, I thought I should create a look just for you. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my face with my Maybelline Pore Eraser primer. And then for foundation, I wanted to go with something light, so I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the Matte Plus Pore-less foundation in 352. And then to apply it, I'm going to use my flat top kabuki brush. Now moving to fill in my eyebrows, I'm using this Essence eyebrow pencil, and this one is in dark brown. And I'm taking back my foundation to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow flat brush. And then to set my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this one is also a Matte Plus Pore-less powder, and this one is in number 355 in cinnamon. And I'm just going to apply it with my large powder brush. And I'm going to brighten under my eyes using my translucent powder, and this one is by Yardley, and I'm just going to apply it with this tapered highlighter brush. And now to bronze out my face, I'm going to use these AVON bronzing pearls, and these ones are in deepest bronze, and I'm just going to apply them with my large bronzing brush. And then for blush, I'm going to apply this matte blush by Palladio, and I'm just going to apply it with this small blush brush. And then for mascara, I'm going in with Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and this one is in black. And then for my lips, I'm going to apply this Nude to Clear Lip Gloss by Essence. And then to set my makeup, I'm going to use this MOD setting spray. And so this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to enable that notification bell so you don't miss new videos from me. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.